So here we are again. You can see me. We'll have a wander. We'll have a little sit down, have a chat about another bit of the kit that I carry with me. But first, I'm going to have a mooch and enjoy this woodland. So, see you in a little bit, guys. Another beautiful day, guys. Just before we get started, come across this beautiful stand of foxgloves in this clearing here. Absolutely loads of them. Beautiful. Alright gang, afternoon. Now a little mooch about. Short one today. Hot again. But got to get out. Today, yeah, another little look at something that I lug around with me. Star of the show today is the Max Fuchs fold down metal bucksaw. Now I added this to my kit because I wanted something a bit more leery than the old Bucksaw Laplander, which will only cut up to a certain size. I mean, it does the job, but you know, you're looking at how many calories you expend doing stuff. This just takes it to another level. It enables me to process slightly larger wood. So yeah, so Golden Bucksaw made by Max Fuchs, Germany. This is what it's like when you're carrying it. Can be a bit noisy, a bit of foam in there or something. Very, very light, but quite strong as well. So you've got these two knurled pieces at the end, the tube, which makes the uprights. So what you do, you just start, take one of the ends off, don't let that disappear. So there's one of your uprights, there's your other one, there's your blade, there's your crossbar, and there's your bar on the top. If you've got like a handmade bucksaw, that'll be your cordage, your little paddle you use to tighten it. So what you do, you take one of these, making sure that's on the inside, just insert that like that. It's how I do it, works for me. Like that, put that on there like that. Okay, same again for the other side, make sure that's on the inside. Just, you're not complete banana fingers like me, just slot all that on there like that. Take your nail piece again, just enough to hold it for now, because you want a little bit of wiggle to put your blade in. You know if you've done it right, because your slots for the blade will be on the inside where you want them. Blade slots in. The little bolts where they need to be. There you go, so you can't use it like this. That's what we do. We start tightening these up nice and tight, tight as you can get it sitting nice and straight, and there you go, ready to use. Quite light, but surprisingly effective, and it does the job just nicely. Great little saw, plenty of room. You can use it two-handed, you can use it one-handed if you've got to steady the wood. You can change the blades out quite easily. You always carry a spare blade as well, that'll fit in there. But yeah, fantastic. I found it to be an excellent addition to my kit. Takes up no room at all, breaks down, stores in a nice handy way. It's there if I need it. Right, I'll find a suitable bit of wood and show you how it cuts. Well, there we go. Went through that quite easily. I mean, I'd quite happily do another inch, 2 inches on that. So yeah, you can just tackle a bit more than my barcode can, which is handy. And as you saw, setting it up goes down nice and small. Probably have done a tightening up this a little bit more. It's a 13-inch blade, so it's the one it comes with. What you can do is get yourself another blade. You're cutting drywood all the time, get like a drywood blade. This is for both. But yeah, it's pretty good. Nice spacing on the teeth. Gets rid of the sawdust. Went through that log like butter, really. Yeah, great little addition to your kit bag. And the reverse. Setting it up. Just loosen it enough so you can very carefully get the blade out, all the ends off. My mistake. That goes in there. That goes in there. That goes on there. And there you go. In your kit bag. Rattles a bit. You could probably put a bit of foam in there or something. Just a bit jangling around. It never bothered me. It breaks down nice and small. It's light, tough. Great little bit of kit. Cost me 12 quid, I think. Yeah, it's served me quite well up till now. Cutting slightly larger pieces of firewood and stuff. There you go, the old Max Fuchs Bucksaw. Handy little bit of kit. Enjoy, folks. Just before I go, I'll just give you a few close-ups and some pictures of it together in its carry format, and I'll do the individual pieces as well.